In the serene forests of ancient India, a young man named Raj struggled to earn respect from those around him. Disheartened and confused, Raj sought the wisdom of Gautama Buddha, the enlightened one, known for his profound insights into life and human nature. Raj traveled for days, finally reaching the place where Buddha was giving a discourse. After the teachings, Raj approached Buddha with a heavy heart. "Oh, enlightened one," he began, "I try my best to be good and kind, but still, I am not respected by others. What am I doing wrong?" Buddha smiled gently and invited Raj to sit beside him. "Respect, my dear Raj, is not something you can demand or force upon others. It is earned through your actions and the way you conduct your life. Let me tell you a story that might help you understand. Once, there was a wise monk who lived in a small village. This monk was deeply respected by everyone in the village for his wisdom, humility, and compassion. People from far and wide came to seek his counsel. One day, a young man, much like yourself, came to the monk with the same question you have. The monk began by saying, "The first habit you must leave is arrogance. Humility is the foundation of respect. When you think you are better than others, you push them away. Embrace humility and treat everyone with equal respect." The young man, confused, asked, "But how do I practice humility?" The monk smiled. "Humility starts with recognizing that every person has value and that we can learn something from everyone. When you listen more than you speak, when you serve others without expecting anything in return, and when you acknowledge your own limitations, you cultivate humility." The second habit, dishonesty. Dishonesty is the second habit you must abandon, the monk continued. Lies and deceit shatter trust, which is the cornerstone of respect. Always speak the truth, even when it is difficult. The young man looked troubled. What if the truth hurts someone? The monk replied, "Honesty must be tempered with compassion. Speak the truth kindly and considerately. It is possible to be honest without being harsh. Remember, a foundation built on lies is weak and will crumble. Truth, however, builds strong and lasting relationships." The third habit, disrespect. Disrespecting others is the third habit, the monk said. If you do not respect others, how can you expect them to respect you? Show kindness and consideration to everyone, regardless of their status. The young man pondered this. How can I show respect to those who do not respect me? The monk answered, "Respect is not a transaction, it is a reflection of your character. By showing respect even to those who do not return it, you demonstrate your integrity and inner strength. This often inspires others to change their behavior in response to your example." The fourth habit, impatience. Impatience is the fourth habit you must leave behind, the monk advised. Respect grows over time, and you must be patient with yourself and others. Do not rush the process. The young man sighed, but it is so hard to be patient when you want things to change quickly. The monk smiled. Patience is not about waiting passively, it is about maintaining a positive attitude while working steadily towards your goals. When you practice patience, you create a space for growth and understanding, both for yourself and for others. The fifth habit, ingratitude. Ingratitude is the fifth habit, the monk explained. Gratitude opens your heart and shows others that you value them. Always be thankful for what you have and for the people in your life. The young man asked, "How can I practice gratitude daily?" The monk suggested, "Begin and end each day by acknowledging the things and people you are thankful for. Express your appreciation openly. Gratitude is like a muscle, the more you use it, the stronger it becomes." The sixth habit, selfishness. Lastly, you must leave selfishness, the monk concluded. Selflessness and generosity foster deep respect. When you put others' needs before your own, you earn their admiration and respect. The young man looked curious, but how can I be selfless without neglecting my own needs? The monk replied, true selflessness does not mean ignoring your own well-being. It means recognizing that by helping others, you also enrich your own life. Balance is key. Care for yourself so you can care for others effectively. As Buddha finished the story, Raj sat in deep thought. He realized that he had been guilty of many of these habits. Determined to change, Raj thanked Buddha and promised to leave these habits behind. Over time, Raj transformed his life. He became humble, honest, respectful, patient, grateful, and selfless. Gradually, people began to notice the change in him and started to respect him deeply. Villagers who once ignored or belittled him now sought his counsel and friendship. Raj felt a deep sense of fulfillment and joy that he had never experienced before. Years later, Raj returned to Buddha to express his gratitude. "Oh, enlightened one, your wisdom has changed my life. I now understand that respect is not demanded but earned through one's actions." Buddha's eyes sparkled with kindness as he replied, "Remember, Raj, the journey to earning respect is a lifelong path. Continue to practice these virtues, and you will always be respected." And so, Raj's journey teaches us that respect is earned through humility, honesty, respect for others, patience, gratitude, and selflessness. By leaving behind these 6 harmful habits, anyone can gain the respect they desire. If you found this story inspiring, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Share this story with your friends and family to spread the wisdom of Buddha. Let us know in the comments what habits you plan to leave behind on your journey to earning respect.